Hello traders. This is the quick demo of trade for less, less for more model where you just want to trade at the extremes. And right here you see we have been following these extremes, green and lower, green and higher for short and long. So here on the right side, what we can do is since we know precisely which levels will be hit, we have other ways of finding out. Using these levels, we have ways to predict the precise level is going to hit. But that is only for private students. What you can see on the right side is a helper plugin you can use. This is a 4-hour chart on the right side, 1-hour chart here. Levels are not dependent on the bar type. It could be applied on 5 minutes, 15 minutes. It doesn't matter because it is using market profile structure for the week to forecast these levels. So the helper structure on the right side, you can see here is either you go to the dotted cycles across the market. This is tracking 8,000 stocks, or you go to the thick line, and when all of them align along with the level, we are in a good show business. As you can see, we had a beautiful technical earnings all around. It still came to the level, and you can see the we have four of these uh, markets telling us that it is potentially going to be a short. So we took a short here last night, and we are in the roll. On the left side is what we call as more for less. You only want to trade when you hit these extreme bands. These are frequency bars tuned to a specific market. You have to do some work to get those frequencies right, and then you apply the frequencies on the bar type, and then you apply these frequency across these bands. So they are not moving average bands as you think they are. They're not. So when we saw last night market hit this level, we took a shot on ES future market, and we are still short right now, and we'll be covering it. So way we cover it is we will hedge it on the other side because it can come down here or it can go down here, up here. So we will still be in a very good profitable situation because we have locked these profits. So we have almost like a no loss situation. We're just looking for market to blow on either way, and we're gonna be in a huge profit. So these helper waves are really excellent waves. This is the balance point for the week, as we discussed earlier. And when market is at the extreme levels, on the bottom side, on the top side, we can look at these four market trackers and see which direction we want to go. Right here, we are on the top side. We are at the green bar, and you can see there are four market trackers telling us market is going to go down, and we have a huge 50-point drop, 45-point drop. So you get some good swings, one or two or three trades a week. You can see the same thing here, and you can see almost same thing here. On the bottom side, you can see dotted lines are going up. Same thing here. How about this one? So what we're gonna do is we combine these two together. At the green level, you may be scared. Oh my God, it's gonna go down. You're expecting it to go down here or here. Look at on the right side. So we have any confirmation here from us? We have at least four of these guys saying, hey. So we are below this balance point. We are at the green level. We have four market trackers. 8,000 stocks are being tracked here and telling us, hey, potentially it's gonna go long. So you can buy some options here and let it roll, right? These are 10 points in options. Huge move. Look at this. 310, 23, $10 moves. $10 moves. So huge. All right. Same thing here on the top of the green bar. See here. We are on the top of away from the balance point, and look at this. Now this time this thick lines, all four of them are aligned to go down. So boom. So this is how you want to trade. This is where you want to really want to not do anything unless you are at the extreme situations. So this too will qualify and help you get you another step level, one confidence on top of where you are. The other ways, as again said, on the left side, this is not for sale right now. It will never be for sale. This is the magical square bands, and these are frequency bars. Just when they get to the extreme like these, this is where we buy. We buy in the panic. We buy in the extreme excitement. We sell. Extreme panic. We buy. And these are the only bands on this planet which helps you do that with huge confidence. And you can just see right here what's going on live for last 2 days. Thank you and enjoy. I hope you do less for more